Welcome to my channel Deep Learning Biology. My name is Dr. Vikash Bhardwaj. Now in this Applied Geology course, Applied Geology class, today we are going to discuss some basic concepts. So in today Applied Geology class, I am going to teach you symbiosis, mutualism, commensalism. So in this video, you will learn in a better way about symbiosis, mutualism and commensalism. Now try to see here, what is symbiosis? Here if you see this word symbiosis, it means when two living organisms, they are living together. So here keep in mind, symbiosis is actually an ecological interaction. In this ecological interaction, what we are going to see, the two species, they are living in close contact of each other. Now, when two species, they are going to be in contact of each other, what different kinds of interaction you are going to see? One, you can say neutral interaction. Both are going to have neutral effect on each other. So one thing, you are going to have neutral interaction. Second, you can have other type of interaction like positive interaction, means both are being benefited when they are in close contact of each other. So this condition is known as mutualism. In mutualism, what you are going to see, both of the species which are living in close contact of each other, they will get benefited of each other. Yes, you can have positive negative interaction, and that you can find in parasitism. Yes, in my previous video we have learned about parasitism. In the next, here what you can see, the interaction can be like commensalism. One species is going to get the benefit while the another species is not going to get any benefit. Okay, no harm, no benefit. So that condition is commensalism. So we have already discussed about parasitism in previous video. Today I will make you understand, I will try my best to teach you mutualism and commensalism. Now try to see here. Here you see what is mutualism. In mutualism, keep in mind, it is a type of ecological interaction. You can say it is a subtype of symbiosis. In this ecological interaction, the two species which are living in close contact, okay, so both of the species, they will get benefit. So here in mutualism, what you are going to see, the interaction is in such a way that both of the species, they will get benefit from each other. So here you can represent that both you are going to see in both of the species, they are going to get benefit from each other. You can label it this plus interaction. Okay, so this is mutualism. Now I just want to tell you some of the examples of mutualism. So here let us discuss the first example. Here I just want to tell you first example. Here I just want to tell you, it is about bacteria which is being found in the eye of flashlight fish. Bacteria which is being found in eye of flashlight fish. Here try to see. Okay, so in the flashlight fish, what you are going to see, below the eye you are going to see oval half moon shaped organ. So here in flashlight fish, below the eye, what you are going to see, oval half moon shaped organ. Now within this organ, if you see this picture of this fish, what you are going to see, this organ is actually filled with bioluminescent bacteria. So here, hopefully you know what are these bioluminescent bacteria. These bacteria, they actually glow okay, in dark. So these bioluminescent bacteria, they will emit light. Okay, so here hopefully you can see, okay, below the eye, what you are going to see, glowing oval half moon shaped organ, and in this organ you are going to have bioluminescent bacteria. Now these bacteria, they are actually transmitting light. Okay, so they are emitting light. Okay, now this light is going to help the fish. Okay, so here remember we are discussing about mutualism. In mutualism, what you are going to see, both the species, they are going to get the benefit. So here we are going to discuss how the bacteria and the fleshlight fish, when they are living together, okay, how they are being benefited. Now here try to see how the fish is going to get benefit. Here what is going to happen, try to see the bioluminescent bacteria which are present in the below the eye. Okay, generally what they are going to do, they are going to help the fish, they are going to help the fish in searching food. Okay, so these, okay, bioluminescent bacteria, they are going to help fish in searching food. Second, they will help the fish in searching potential mate, Third, they are going to help the fish so that fish, they can evade predators, so the fish can protect itself from predators. Another, they are going to help the fish in communication. So these bioluminescent bacteria, they are helping these fish in searching food, in searching potential mate, they help them in evading predators, and they help in communication. One fish can communicate with another fish. Okay, these fish, they can communicate by using these bioluminescent bacteria. So this way the fish is getting the benefit. Now let us discuss, okay, what kind of benefit the bacteria is going to get. So here you see the bacteria, it is going to get a safe place to live. It is getting a safe place to live. Another, the bacteria is getting nutrition, oxygen from fish blood supply. So from the fish blood supply in the eye, these bacteria, what they are going to get? Nutrition and oxygen. So hopefully it is clear. This is a good example of mutualism. Here both bacteria and the fish, they are being benefited. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now discuss another example. Now here I just want to tell you, you must be knowing about lichens. Okay, hopefully you must have seen in the environment, you must have seen on tree trunks the growth of lichens. Try to see here in lichens what you are going to have. You are going to see the phenomena of mutualism, and here the fungi and algae, they are staying together. So here in lichens, what you are going to see, mostly the fungi from Ascomycetes family, and you are going to have algae, generally the cyanobacteria algae, they are living in close contact of each other. Okay, generally these algae, they are going to have the photosynthetic bacteria, cyanobacteria. Okay, so fungi mostly from Ascomycetes, and algae generally from cyanobacteria. When they are staying together in close contact, okay, they are going to form lichens, and this is a good example of mutualism. Now try to see here how the fungi, they are being benefited, how the algae is being benefited here. So here the fungi, it is going to give overall shape and structure to the lichens. So you know fungi, they are going to have hyphae. So here the fungi, the fungus part, it is going to give the shape and structure to the lichens. Yes, this fungal part, it provides suitable environment for growth to the algae. Okay, so here within the fungus you are going to have hyphae. Okay, these hyphae, they are providing overall shape and structure to the lichens, and within the space in between hyphae, generally these algae, they are growing, and this way what you are going to see, mutualistic interaction between fungi and the algae. Now try to see here, these hyphae, they actually allow gas exchange. Okay, so generally these algae, okay, when they are growing in between these hyphae, okay, they can easily exchange gas with the environment. Yes, here these hyphae, they also secrete acids. Now these acids which are being secreted through hyphae, they help in uptake of minerals. So now the fungus, okay, part, it is going to uptake the minerals, and these minerals now will be available to the algae part. So this way the algae part will get the benefit. So here you see the fungus part, it is providing suitable environment for the growth. It provides a suitable environment so that the algae, they can have proper aeration, gas. Yes, here these hyphae, they also help these algae by secreting acids, and these acids, they will help in mineralization of minerals, and now these minerals will be available to the algae. Okay, now here these hyphae, they also retain water and minerals, and all these water minerals now will be available to the algae. Okay, so this way the fungus is helping algae. Now in return, how the fungus, it is going to get the benefit. So here try to see in lichens, what you are going to see, two part. One is algae. So here the algae part, it will fix nitrogen, and it will provide organic nitrogen compounds to fungi. So here we have discussed how the fungus is going to get the benefit and how the algae is going to get the benefit. So in lichens, if you see the algae, okay, what they will do, they will fix nitrogen, and they will also synthesize organic nitrogen compounds, and all these nitrogenous compounds, now they will be available to the fungus. So the algae part, it is providing nutrients to the fungus. So this way both are going to get the benefit. So hopefully this point now it is clear to you. Now here if you see, keep in mind lichens, okay, they are well known as bioindicator of air pollution. Generally these lichens, they will not grow, keep in mind, when there is very high air pollution. Okay, so that part we will discuss later. But here if you see the mutualism, yes, keep in mind lichens, they are going to have mutualism, they are example of mutualism, and here the mutualism is in between algae and the fungi. Now let us move further. Okay, we are going to discuss another example of mutualism. Here it is mycorrhiza. You must be knowing about mycorrhiza. Here also you are going to have two part. One is fungus, and here if you see the fungus part, it absorb minerals, and now these minerals, generally the phosphorus, it will be available to the plants. Okay, so in case of mycorrhiza, what you are going to see, the fungus and roots of some plants, they are going to have association. So here if you see the plant roots, okay, they plants roots and fungus, they are in contact with of each other, and both are helping each other, so both of them can survive in a better way. So here if you see what the plant's roots are providing to the fungus, very simple, okay, they are providing the fungus sugar, the nutrients for its growth. So this way both are helping each other. So this is about mycorrhiza. Now let us discuss another example. Here I just want to tell you example of leaf cutting ants and fungi. Leaf cutting ants and fungi. Now here if you see these ants, okay, now these ants, these are known as leaf cutting ants, and these leaf cutting ants, they actually do not eat the leaf. They will collect the leaf, they will cut the leaf in a proper shape, and they are not going to eat these leaf. What they are doing actually, okay, they actually collect these leaf and they will put all these leaf in an area, okay, where the fungus now will grow. Okay, so leaf cutting ants, what they are going to do, they will collect leaf and they will provide these leaf, they will collect the leaf in an area, they will put the leaf in an area where the fungus will grow. Now fungus is getting nutrient, okay, this way the ants, they are helping fungus to grow. Now when the fungus will grow, and you know on the tip of the fungus what you are going to have, hyphae. Now these hyphaeal tips, they will be nutrient rich, okay, they will be nutrient rich. And here I have told you these ants, they actually do not eat leaves. What they are going to eat? The hyphaeal tips. So ants, they will get their nutrient, they will get the nutrition through hyphaeal tips. So this way both are going to get the benefit. So hopefully it is clear. We have discussed 3 examples of the mutualism, and hopefully all the points are clear to you. Now let us move to the next point. Okay, so next here we are going to discuss about commensalism. Now try to see here. In the case of commensalism, what you are going to see that both of the species which are living together, they are not going to get benefit. Only one will get benefited, another, it will not be harmed, but it is not going to get any benefit. So ecological interaction, commensalism, you can define it is actually the ecological interaction between two species in which one species is going to get the benefit, the another species, it will not be harmed. Okay, the another species will not be harmed. Okay, so hopefully it is clear what is commensalism. Now we are going to discuss some of the examples of commensalism. Now here I just want to give you one example. Try to see here. You must have seen bird's nest. You must have seen bird's nest. Okay, so here if you see, try to think here. What the benefit the tree is going to get? Nothing. What harm the tree is going to get? Nothing. But the birds, they are being benefited. When any bird is going to make a nest on a tree, what is going to happen? The birds, they get the benefit, they get the shelter, they get the home, but not the tree. So here only one species is being benefited, the another one not. So here this is one good example of commensalism. Clear? Next, move forward. Okay, so hopefully, 1 minute please. Okay, now let's move forward. Now here another example, if you are going to see, it is of golden jackals and tigers. Golden jackals and tigers. Now try to see here. If you see the golden jackals and tigers, here you can also see the commensalism type, okay, symbiosis. Here if you are going to see, generally the golden jackals, they follow tigers. Golden jackals, what they actually follow? They follow the tigers. And tigers generally they are strong. Okay, yes, they actually kill, or you can say hunt animals. Okay, now who is following them? Golden jackals. Now here tiger, after finishing their, you can say, food, okay, what will happen? There will be some leftovers. The golden jackals, now they are going to eat the leftovers. So try to see here, golden jackals, they follow the tigers, and tigers, what they are doing? They actually hunt animals, and this way they are going to get their food. But after completing their diet, there will be some leftovers, and golden jackals, they eat the free food. Okay, they eat the free meal. Okay, so here you can see this is an example of commensalism. Yes, here if you see golden jackals, they are getting the free meal. Okay, but tigers, they are not going to get any harm from golden jackals. So this is an example of commensalism. Okay, clear? Let us move further. Okay, so here hopefully in this video you have learned about symbiosis, and here we have discussed types of symbiosis, mutualism and commensalism, and in this video I have taught you various examples of mutualism and various examples of mutualism, and hopefully all the points are clear to you. Thank you for watching this. Please do like, share the video. Please do like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel Deep Learning Biology. Bye bye. Thank you.